Hello, this is my first Capstone project. I'm doing a project on Airbnb multi-city analysis. The purpose of this project is to compare Airbnb trends in Toronto, Vancouver, and Ottawa, and to understand rental market dynamics and pricing patterns, practice real-world data analysis and visualization using Buka and Pandas. For my data source, I got my dataset from Airbnb official websites. My data includes the price of the rooms, room types, beds, number of beds, the location, and a couple of other things. I downloaded separate CSV files for each city and then compared them in my code. The key visualization from my code, we can get the price distribution, which is under $500. It will show the price ranges across different cities and average price by number of beds, because we know price impact based on bed counts. So I have made a research on that. There is average price by room type. There may be price variation by different types of rooms, smaller, single bed, double bed, or it varies from cities to cities. So I also made an analysis on that. Now let's get started with the code. First, I uploaded Airbnb listing data for each city. Then I cleaned the price column by removing the dollar signs and columns and commas so it could be used in my calculation. I made it a floating point. I also removed any listings that didn't include price or bed counts, because without that we cannot do a proper analysis and cannot compare with different data sets. Then I labeled each dataset with its city name and combined everything into one big data frame. Now that that part is done, we are ready to compare across different cities. So as you can see, this is my first graph. Here is a price distribution under $500. I used a histogram to show how many listings fall into different price ranges. From the graph, you can already see that Toronto and Vancouver have a lot of listing clustered around $100 to $250. Ottawa stands out with more affordable listings, especially under $150. This gives us a quick snapshot of how prices compare across cities. For my next analysis, I delved in deeper. I wanted to see how prices change with the number of beds. So here I made a line chart to show it properly how the average price for listings with 1 to 5 beds in each city varies. So as expected, more beds usually mean higher prices, but look at Vancouver. You can see that it shows a sharper rise, especially after 2 bedrooms. So this is a point to be taken. That could reflect the high cost of larger homes in Vancouver area. For my third visualization, I am more interested in different room types. So this bar chart compares the average price for different room types, like entire homes or private rooms, shared rooms in each city. And entire homes are clearly the most expensive, and shared rooms are the most affordable. From this chart, it is clear. What's interesting is how prices vary between cities, even for the same room type. For example, private rooms in Toronto are slightly cheaper than in Vancouver. This can help travelers choose the best value and help hosts understand how they stack up. So, to wrap it up, Toronto and Vancouver have similar price ranges, but Vancouver gets expensive faster with more bedrooms. Ottawa is more budget friendly overall, and room type really affects prices. Entire homes cost a lot more than private or shared rooms. By analyzing data like this, we can make smarter decisions, whether we're booking a trip, setting prices as a host, or just exploring urban trends. So I think this analysis might help people to book for Airbnb a little bit better. Thank you.